Hello fellow gamers! Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. If you're looking to level up your gaming experience, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of RAM, because we all know that faster memory means smoother gameplay. Don't forget to check the links in the description for updated pricing on all the products mentioned. Let's get right into our top 5 best RAM for gaming in 2023. Kicking off our list is the Corsair Vengeance DDR5, a powerhouse in the gaming RAM arena. With a memory size of 32GB, this DDR5 SD RAM is designed to deliver blazing fast performance. The 5200 MHz speed ensures that your gaming sessions are smooth and lag-free. Whether you're running a high-end Intel system or any DDR5 compatible motherboard, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 has you covered. With tested voltage at 1.25 volts and an impressive starting price of around $95, this RAM offers great value for its performance. Pros: impressive 5200 MHz speed for lightning-fast gaming. Suitable for Intel systems while compatible with all DDR5 motherboards. Offers a wide range of RAM sizes, 16GB up to 64GB. Value for money with a starting price of $95. Cons: might be overkill for entry-level systems. Our next contender is the G.Skill Trident Z5, a RAM that's all about performance and aesthetics. Boasting 32GB, which consists of two 16GB modules of DDR5 SD RAM, this RAM delivers base speeds of 4,800 megatransfers per second, which can be overclocked to an impressive 6,000 megatransfers per second. The high-performance aluminum heat spreader not only keeps the RAM cool but also adds a touch of style. With customizable RGB lighting, you can match your gaming setup's vibe. The G.Skill Trident Z5 is optimized for AMD motherboards while still being compatible with Intel socketed motherboards. Pricing starts at around $100. Pros: high-performance base speeds with overclocking potential. Stunning aluminum heat spreader design with customizable RGB lighting. Customizable RGB lighting adds flair to your gaming setup. Lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Cons: may have higher power consumption due to RGB lighting. Now, let's talk about the Corsair Dominator Platinum, a RAM that's in a league of its own. With modules totaling 32GB capacity, this DDR4 memory runs at a base clock speed of up to 3,200 MHz. The precision die casting and anodization ensure top-notch build quality. The patented dual-path DHX cooling technology keeps temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. The Corsair Dominator Platinum is not only compatible with both Intel and AMD DDR4 platforms but also comes equipped with 12 ultra-bright addressable LEDs for a touch of RGB brilliance. Pricing starts at around $149. Pros: high-performance DDR4 memory with a base clock speed of up to 3,200 MHz. Patented dual-path DHX cooling technology for optimal thermal management. Equipped with 12 ultra-bright addressable LEDs for customizable RGB lighting. Compatible with both Intel and AMD DDR4 platforms. Cons: premium price point reflects the advanced features. Moving on, we have the crucial RAM 16GB DDR4, an offering from Micron, one of the largest RAM manufacturers in the world. This RAM strikes a balance between value and performance, offering speeds of up to 3,200 MHz. The modular design allows you to choose between 4GB up to 32GB of DDR4, depending on your gaming needs. Its compatibility with a wide range of motherboards ensures flexibility, and the CAS latency of 17 ensures efficient data transfer. With a low voltage of 1.2 volts, it's energy efficient too. Pricing starts at around $29. Pros: value-oriented with speeds of up to 3,200 MHz. Modular design offers flexibility in choosing RAM size. Wide compatibility with various motherboards. Energy efficient with low voltage of 1.2 volts. Cons: may not provide extreme performance for high-end gaming setups. Last but certainly not least, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX, a RAM that delivers great performance without breaking the bank. With a speed of 2,133 MHz and overclocking headroom, This RAM offers a great balance between performance and value. The aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat, keeping your system running smoothly. Available in sizes ranging from 16 GB up to a whopping 256 GB, the Corsair Vengeance LPX caters to a wide range of gaming needs while being compatible with most Intel and AMD platforms. Pricing starts at around $65. Pros: offers a balance between performance and value. Aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat. Wide range of RAM sizes available. Compatible with most Intel and AMD platforms. Cons: lower base speed compared to some other models. That's it for our top 5 RAM for gaming list. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the various items mentioned in this video, be sure to check the links in the description below. Be sure to do your research and choose the one that fits your needs and preferences the best. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!